Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here from Fundamental Health. I have a patient here, one of my favorite patients, Ken, and Ken's doing very well, so he's offered to do a video testimonial. So I'm going to ask him some questions and we'll tune in to see how he's doing.
Okay.
So Ken, what brought you in to see me in the first place?
Well, I was having a lot of pain with my right wrist after drumming, and the pain was pretty severe. I was actually at the point where I wasn't even sure I was going to play the drums anymore. So, and then after that treatment went really, really well, I asked you, maybe we could talk about an old football injury that's in my left shoulder. So we're able to address both, but before I had a ton of pain in my right wrist, treatments worked well, and going forward, I really don't have any irritation in my wrist.
Yeah. So you had some issues in your wrist that was affecting your ability to play the drums, which was affecting your quality of life. Yeah.
Yes.
So let's dive deep into it. Let's go back to day one when you were first coming in. Before you came in to see me, how was your quality of life? Like, how do you remember things going, and how was your quality of life?
Well, because I'm so passionate about playing the drums and practicing, and I practice pretty steadily, I was thinking that maybe I wouldn't be able to operate in my passion anymore, so that was potentially a cause for a lot of disappointment. So, and then the football injury has been bothering me really since I was a teenager. So it was great to get insight on both of those things. The treatment was really three things. It was taking a look at and manipulating the joints, some ultrasonic treatment, and then also simultaneously there was some treatment with a machine which relaxes the muscle. So the combination of all those three was really effective, and even though I played the drums last night, I still really don't have any irritation in my right wrist. So I'm glad to say that the treatment's really helped out quite a bit.
Yeah, so before you came in, if I remember correctly, it was affecting your ability to play the drums during, but also afterwards when you'd be done playing, you would have it, for days, type of pain in your wrist that would debilitating affect work and other things in your life as well.
Yeah, so one of the things I noticed was the first time the pain in my wrist really spiked, one of the things I noticed is I had to wait over a week before I could use my wrist again. So, that was very, very frightening to me, especially as a musician. But it was also, a rest and recovery period that I thought was unmanageable. So that's why, I wanted to seek professional help.
Absolutely, yeah. So you alluded to it a little bit already, but quickly I'm just going to have you touch on, now that you've been through treatment, you're doing better, how has this changed your life? Like, what are you able to do now? What's your quality of life look like now?
Well, I can play the drums really without any pain, but also I don't really have any worry about having any pain maybe that evening or the next day from playing the drums. So that whole footprint of recovery after using my joints is that's really gone. And so we've done a little bit of treatment on the shoulder. It's helped, but I think that's helped quite a bit as well. But the main thing was just not having the footprint of pain after using my hands.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks for taking the time to do this video with me, and
Sure.
Thanks for helping to spread the word about chiropractic and what we do here and how we can help people. So appreciate it, Ken.
You're welcome.